Has this ever happened to you? You paste your task description into Claude, it gives you some code, you test it out inside your application, the feature looks good, everything is working fine. You open up a pull request and you start getting comments from your colleagues. And you start blushing from the pure stupidity that you tried to push to production. You fix the comments that you got and you continue to quality assurance. After QA, you get a few comments about edge cases that still need fixing. AI keeps spinning in circles with no help. It's time to dive into the code yourself. You read it as if it's new to you, because you did not write it. You figure out what was done, and only then you are able to fix the edge cases. So you kept your team busy reviewing your code, and then you still had to tweak it and understand it yourself. Something that might have been faster if you had written it yourself. After finding myself in this situation several times, I came to the conclusion that I'm more productive writing code myself and only giving AI specific tasks where it saves time. That experience made me rethink how I use AI. Instead of asking it to build entire features, I now use it as a force multiplier for specific tasks where it consistently delivers value. Number 1. Writing tests. Skip this if you are using TDD or test-driven development, but in general, when you finish a feature, you want to cover it with tests. AI is really good at this because it already can see the whole code structure and can generate tests easily. It's up to you how many you want. Do you want 100% test coverage or only the edge cases? Maybe just the base cases are enough. Unit tests, integration tests, you name it. AI will get it mostly right. Still, you need to go through the code and see if there are no hallucinations. I have seen some pretty hilarious stuff inside AI-generated tests. So it's not enough for the tests to go green, they also need to be logical. Number 2, debugging. You shipped a bug to production. Stress. Your hands are shaking. It's hard to think clearly. It's up to you to fix it. In this case, AI can be a lifesaver. Just paste in the error or the stack trace and the AI will guide you to the right place or sometimes even to the right solution. Sometimes AI will suggest a patch that is not optimal, but then it's up to you to figure out what should be the correct fix. Overall, this is an extremely valuable use case, even when solving regular bugs. It's like asking a colleague for a pair of fresh eyes on the problem. The only difference is that you don't need to be polite. Number 3, research. A lot of people switched from Googling to prompting AI. But in the context of a software project, AI can do a lot of research very fast. How does our invoice calculation logic work? Does it correctly convert currencies? Where do we take currency rates from? Is this service covered by tests? This user does not see the feature we implemented. Is there a setting that we need to turn on? These are just a few of the questions that come up during the day. Sometimes you know the answer exactly, but sometimes asking AI to do the analysis can quickly point you to the files where the answers lie, or it can even spit out the correct answer. I also like diving deeper into code using AI. You sometimes vaguely know how something works. You could ask a colleague, but you're risking losing face for asking a stupid question. So just asking AI about stuff will help you deepen your understanding about the stuff that you don't know. Number 4. MVPs or throwaway software. Back in the days before AI, you would rarely write software that you know you would delete after using it once. Now it's cheap and fast to write a helper code to test out something. Our product owners started doing a lot of HTML mockups for new features. It helps to understand the task at hand much better. It's all code that would have taken a lot of time to write before and wasn't really viable, but now it is, and it saves a lot of time. Number 5. Code review. Code review with the AI is both annoying and useful at the same time. It can generate a lot of false positives for you to check out and waste your time on, but it can also find some nasty bugs that you haven't thought about. What I currently like to do after finishing a task is to paste in the whole description to Claude and ask if I have done it correctly. It will sometimes point to some acceptance criteria that I did not meet or forgot to implement, or it might find some bugs that appeared in the code. These are the 5 main ways I use AI when coding. Where do you find it particularly useful in your work? Or are you already letting your agents do most of the work? Let me know in the comments below.